Next, if the sum of n terms of 3AP are S1, S2 and S3, the first term of each is 1 and the common differences are 1, 2 and 3 respectively, then S1 plus S3 upon S2 equals to, it should be E over your difference. Okay, move on. So sum of n terms of 3 APs is S1, S2 and S3. Okay, so let's find out that S1 equals to n upon 2 into 2A. First term of each is same, 1. So 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into first term is CD is S1, right? First CD is 1. So n minus 1 into 1. Solve this. N upon 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, right? Again solve this. So n into n plus 1 upon 2. Now for S2, n upon 2 into 1, first term is common, plus n minus 1 into 2, right? Because CD is 2 for this. So solve this again. You get n upon 2 into 2 gone and it becomes n square only. So this 2 gone, only n square remains. So S2 equals to n square. Now S3, n upon 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 3. Solve this. 2 plus 3n minus 3, right? That is 3n minus 1. So n upon 2 as it is. So S3 equals to n upon 2 into 3n minus 1. So you got now S1, S2 and S3. What we want? S1 plus S2 upon S3. So S1 plus S2 upon S3 is n square plus n upon 2 plus 3n square minus n upon 2, the whole upon n square, right? So solve this, you will get 4n square upon 2n square, cancel this and you will get 2. 2 is the required answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC